Hey YouTubers, I have a real treat for you today. Some of you might remember from one of my last live streams this cartwheel about the 8 YouTube channel growth strategies. Sorry, my channel is all about YouTube channel growth, right? But the word growth, I can't really pronounce it. Anyway, this is the cartwheel that I came up with a few months ago and also asked the tutorial team to complete this list. Thanks for all your feedback. This is the final list of strategies that really work for small channels as well. So I'm excited to talk about this today. By the way, quick question. What of those strategies do you apply on your channel? For me, for example, it is all about evergreen content. I do focus a lot on active subscribers as well as linked content. And of course, since I have the Morning Fame tool, the site, I also get a lot of viewers from the site to my channel. So these are the strategies that I focus most on. And quick question, how about you? Is your setup a little bit different? Let me know in the comment. By the way, for me, it was not always the case that I focused on those 4 things mostly. In the beginning, for example, when I just started my channel, I had different strategies that worked for me. In particular, sharing on social media. I will explain you later. There is a strategy because I didn't have outreach on social media at that point either. No followers really. So there's a strategy that actually works right in the beginning, as well as I did a particular kind of collabs featuring YouTube creators in videos, which really worked well for me in the beginning. So along the way of growing your channel, different strategies make more sense at that point, and that changes. And today I want to walk you through all of the 8 strategies, but with a unique new way. I created a playlist for you that walks you through all those strategies, because it turned out with all the archive of videos that I have on this channel already, there are videos already there that explain those different strategies. So I compiled the best videos that I have on each and every strategy and made a playlist out of it. This video that you are currently watching is actually the first video of this playlist. If you are currently watching this video separately and not within the playlist, you can see that if the playlist shows up on the side or below on mobile. Well, then click the link in the description that sends you onto this video, but within this playlist. As well as I've also pinned a comment so people who are on mobile can more easily access it. And then let's get started. The first thing that we focus on is evergreen content. This is by far the most dependable way to get the YouTube algorithm working for you, to get all the benefits that the YouTube algorithm gives us for promotion of our videos, get our foot in the door. So that is the first strategy. And by the way, that strategy is the most important one for my channel. It was in the beginning and still is. It really has a big importance. And so let's give it away. Daniel Bartal is next up in the next video explaining you how to create evergreen content. See you after the evergreen video with my next introduction of the next strategy. See you then.